So we both share a little bit this presentation. I will give you a small and a short introduction about this local influence. And my first essential slide, I show you a colored picture of the planet. And you can see that it's not a blue and it's not a green planet, so we have so many different kind of climate zone that of course no facade can fit all over the world. Maybe you might have seen it. And we have to adapt these local climates, and as we already saw, we can learn from experience. And traditional buildings are taking into account these local climates already. And you see, for example, in the Arctic, you have a different kind of building that, for example, in the tropic. So it's not that we now live in these kind of buildings. But this brings us back to the point and to Hong Kong. What are the local situation? What is the climate we have to take care about? And what is behind these efforts we have to make concerning sustainable buildings, concerning facade? And behind are these requirements for comfort. So human endeavor and well-being are closely related to comfort level. Energy efficiency buildings are characterized by the fact that they guarantee high levels of comfort with a minimize of use energy. And you can see, hopefully this is a picture from Hong Kong, that of course the comfort feeling is different in Germany and in Hong Kong. Then you see also that we have restriction in the climate. Air temperature is different. The important function of the facade consists of ensuring sufficient weather tightness, thermal insulation, natural lighting, sun shading, ventilation. This requires an overall optimization of frame, glazing and non-transparent areas of the facade. By using passive solar energy, the building itself acts as a solar collector, which you can lightly follow here in summer. Transparent and translucent windows and facade surface capture solar energy. Convention into heat occur in the outer wall or in the surface enclosing the space. In buildings with high internal heat load and large areas of glass, the solar radiation leads to overheating in the summer months unless secondary measures are adopted. Here you can see also some challenge we face here in Hong Kong. And for that, you have also to take care about good solar shading to reduce penetration of the sun rays into the room, thereby reducing the likelihood of overheated rooms in non-air conditioned buildings. In air conditioned buildings, this reduces the maximum cooling load and investment cost on the one hand, and the energy used for cooling and the operating cost on the other. Daylight management systems are aimed at optimizing room lighting by distributing incidental daylight evenly throughout the room. In this way, there is also a reduction in cooling load as the excess daylight in the vicinity of the facade is reduced. A facade which is really optimized for energy and comfort in this climate zone should therefore be able to react to the comfort needs of the user and the changing outside condition in such a way that the technical building equipment is only necessary in extreme situations. Fundamentally, this means a building structure which is right for its location and use in conjunction with the appropriate facade. If the facade is optimized for energy efficiency, it is worth thinking about how other energy needs can be satisfied using renewable forms of energy. Currently, building integrated photovoltaic to sun-tracking solar shading installation. So, you can see, nature already adapts. It's our common goal to offer leading green technology, including thermal insulation, building automation, and efficiency solar solution to reduce the energy consumption of buildings. Though this was general speaking. Schüco is about 12 years here in the Chinese market, and now we can show you a little bit about our experience. And I hear a lot about carbon aims, about low-cost buildings, about energy efficiency buildings. But when we are thinking about the situation we have in China, maybe also in Hong Kong, we are talking about the basics. But nevertheless, we see a very big opportunity here to improve something. And Sunny will now try to tell you a little bit about solution we can offer.